Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create simple posters using Adobe Firefly. Posters are a powerful way to grab attention whether it's for an event, a school project or a promotion or social media. And this guide will show you how to make simple professional looking posters step by step even if you're a complete beginner. So first open any of the web browser you prefer, and in the top you can find this address bar here. Type down firefly.adobe.com and enter it. And make sure to log into your account if you already have not. So over here in this middle, you can find there's an option for the prompt. What you can do is you can simply click onto this mode here and you'll get into this maximized interface as well. Here you can describe what your poster should look like. Over here you can type down your simple event poster, music concert as well, and make sure use word like minimal, clean, bold, poster designs or high contrast. And after that you can generate poster by clicking onto this generate in the bottom right, and Firefly will create multiple poster style. Choose the one that looks clean, eye-catching. Here you can also adjust the aspect ratio. On the left hand side you can also choose a model for the general setting, and you can also put any of the references images if you have or if you want to add, and that is it. After that you can download your poster and you can use your poster and share on social media. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.